Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a warrant system which consists of warrants, remove warrant and also clear warrant. So let's get started. First, we're going to create a schema. Just do it under models. Here we're just going to do warrants.js. Okay, hopefully the music is not overlapping my voice. Cons mongoose equals require mongoose let schema equals to new I space new mongoose dot schema, and then in here we're gonna put guild ID, which will be a string. My keyboard is broken, so yeah, it happens sometimes. String, and then content will be an array. So in here we're gonna module export it. My keyboard is so broken. Mongoose.model warrants schema. So we're exporting it. Okay, so we can start creating the commands now. Let me just create a new folder. You can put it in any folder you want, but in my case I'm gonna create a new one for organization purposes. So warrant. So first command, it will be warrant.js. Oopsie. Warrant.js. First we're gonna require the model. So db equals require dot slash models warrants mod cons message and message embed is equals to require discord.js. Okay, let me just enlarge this. Okay, so discord.js and module.exports name will be warrant run async client message arts, and then if message no message member dot has permission, you can put any permission you want. I'm just gonna put administrator return message dot channel dot send. You do not have permission to use this command. Okay, then so after checking permission, we're gonna define the user. So const user equals to message or mentions this message. Okay, mentions dot members dot first or message dot build dot members dot touch dot get art0. So we can either mention the member or we can just get its ID using its ID. If there's no user, return message dot channel dot send user not found. Okay, so after it's checked, we're gonna db dot find one guild ID will be message dot guild dot ID user dot id async error any data, if error throw error, if there is no data, let me just do this. If there is data, dot content, which is the array dot length. Then what am I even? Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm doing. I don't know why I did this. Okay, just let. Oh no! If there's no data, data equals to news db, and then we'll create a new schema. So build id message.build.id, and then user.user.id content. You put objects in here. Moderator is message.author.id. Hopefully the song is not that loud. Reason. Let me just define reason real quick. Let me just do it here. Const reason equals message arcs dot slice one dot join. Okay. Reason will be reason. Okay, so that's it. So reason will be reason. Okay, so we're gonna call else if there's data. Const object equals to object moderator message.author.id reason, and then reason. Let me just put a comma here, and then in here we're gonna do data.content.push ob object. So it's defined here. So outside of this else, we're gonna save the data.save. Then we can just simply user.send new message embed or set description. You have been warned for, let me just change this to backticks, and then in here reason, and then we're gonna send something in the channel also. Let me just put it red color, set color red. Okay, then message.channel.send new message. You can do it in normal messages. I'm just gonna make it with embed so it looks a little better. Set description warn user for reason, and then I'm just gonna put it blue. Okay, so this is the warn command. So let's try and make warns command to display the amount of warns a person has. Okay, so we're just gonna copy this because it's the exact same thing, but in here there will be something different. So I'm just gonna remove here. Okay, so it's gonna look something like, okay, db.find1. Okay, data, throw data if data content dot length message dot channel dot send new message embed set type this let me just do set title user.user.tag, and then let me just do warns dot set description. We're gonna map the data, so data dot content dot map, and then index Okay, so it's gonna be very simple. Oh, let's not can't function block this. Let me just line this like that. Okay, so let me just do this, and then hashtag I+1, because array style is 0, so when you +1 it's gonna look better. Then we're just gonna do moderator is w.moderator. Oh wait, let's get the moderator instead. message.build.members.catch.get w.moderator dot user dot tag tag, and then we're just gonna put reason will be reason w.reason. So w is taking the map data. So that's it. So set color, I'm gonna set it to purple, blue. Set color blue, and then if there's no data else, message.channel.send user has no data. So let's just try running this. So basically you're gonna use MongoDB. If you haven't seen how to use this, feel free to check the link in the description to see a guide on how to use this. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for did I not make the schema? Index.js. Let me just do this real quick. Oh. Let me just this is not related because I accidentally deleted it just now. So yeah. I'll just try running this again. It should work now. Okay, so in here we're gonna do y warn. Y is the prefix basically. So user is not found. Let me just try warning myself. So recon testing. Let me just say breaking the rules. And then oh no, what did I just? Oh, I forgot to change. This. Just add an S. I really forgot it. I'm so sorry. Let's try this again. Let me just go here real quick. Let me just delete the warrants. Okay. So let's try warning me again. Warn, recon, breaking the rules. So it warn, it will say this, and then it will private message me, you have been warned for breaking the rules. So it worked perfectly. And then to check my warrants, basically just do y warrants and then recon. And then it should display the warrants. Let me just show you another example. Let me just warn recon spamming in general chat. So warn recon spam in general chat, and then when I come back here and I run y warrants, it should show. Oh, I forgot to specify warrant recon. So it will say first, breaking rule, second, moderate. Okay. So you find the data in the database, just refresh it, and then you should see it's looking like an object. So now I'm going to show you guys how to remove the warrants. So let me just create another file. Let me just do remove warrant. So this is basically just removing a single warrant. later in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all the warns. So remove warn, cons db equals require, basically where you put the model slash warns, module.exports, name, remove warn, run async, client message args. Okay, so if message.member.has permission administrator return message channel.send, you do not have permission to use this command. Okay, then in here we're gonna define the user again. So const user equals to message. Let me just copy this so it's gonna be faster. Let me just close all these. Okay, after this, then we're gonna do if. Let me just copy this also. So I don't really type it. So my keyboard is kind of broken, so I don't want to type a lot of things on it. db.find1, so we're just gonna find the ID, build ID, message.build.id. User will be user.user.id, async, error, data, if error, throw error, if data. Okay, so if there's data, we're gonna do let me just do variables. So let I equals 0. Let me just do let I equals args 1. Let number equals to parse int args 0, args 1. Wait, is it args 1 or args 0? Yeah, it's args 1. And then we're gonna -1 because we're gonna find with the index, so we're gonna -1. And then we're gonna do data.content.splice. Splice is an array method for, yeah, it's basically just an array method. So number, which is the index, and then how many documents you want to delete. I'm just gonna delete one. Like, look, array splice, start number, delete count number. So I'm just gonna delete one. And then else message.channel.send. This user does not has any wards in this server. Okay, let me just show you. So basically now I have two warns, warn number 1 and warn number 2. So I'm just gonna try to delete warn number 1, which is breaking the rules. So y remove warn at recon, and then I'm gonna put 1. Or for send a success message, just put it here, message.channel.send deleted the warn. So basically it has already been deleted, so I'm just going to show you that it's already been deleted. Okay, so y warns should be deleted. What did I do wrong? Oh, I forgot to save the data. That's the most important part, and I forgot talking about it. So remember, so number and then data content splice, deleted the warn, and then save. That's the most important one. Okay, let's try it again. If they don't fail again. Y remove warn at recon. Okay, so let us delete the first one. Y remove warn. Deleted the warn. Warns at recon. So as you can see, I only got the second warrant, which is became the first one because I deleted the first one. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how to remove all the warrants at once. So you don't need to remove a warrant by a warrant. You can just remove the whole all the warrants that a user have. Let me just call this clear warrants.js. As usual, we're gonna define, let me just copy this. Okay, so change this to clear all, remove all warrants, remove all warrants, blah 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 blah. Okay, so if there's data, we're gonna do db.find1 and delete. db.find1 and delete, and then we're gonna find the user.user.id, and then guild id will be message.guild.id. Basically the same, but I just switch it up a little. Oh, let me just send a success message, await db, and then message.channel.send clear user.tag warrants. Okay, so let's try it. Let me just warn myself several times so I can show you that warn recon 1, recon warn again, warn at recon, testing warn. So basically I have a few warrants down. I'm just gonna show you guys how I delete all the warrants at once. Let me just show you the warrants real quick. I keep forgetting to specify a user. Recon. So I have 4 warrants now, and then I can just run y remove all warrants. So y remove all warrants, then add recon. So it cleared all the warrants, and when I do y warrants, there shouldn't be any data. Warrants at recon. Oh. So basically, the data will be deleted. Okay, let me just change this real quick. Warrants. If no data, okay, let's just say no data. If there's no data. Okay, so let me show you again. So basically I have no warrants because I just removed all the warrants. Let me just show you how I warn myself again. Y warn at recon, number 1. Y warn recon, number 2. Okay, so I have warrants at recon. So I have 2 warrants. I just run remove all warrants at recon. So y warrants. Oh my god, I forgot. So you should say user have no data. So because there is no data, I've removed all the data using this command here. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. If you have any errors or any suggestions, feel free to join our support Discord server. We do daily polls on which video the members want. So basically, advanced one system 1, so I make a video on it. So yeah, you can ask your questions in the help channel. Other than that, have a nice day. See you again on the next episode. Bye.